Nice and easy. Okay. Ground should be stable through here, but if it feels a little, just step back, okay?